Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to share one of my favorite cookies. I just found GluteNull, the lemon coconut ones that are delicious. If you're looking for a way to curb your crunchy and sweet cravings, then these cookies are definitely the way to go. I love the fact that you can eat a couple of them, not feeling guilty because of the sugar or maybe the excess carbs. These are made with very clean ingredients. I love the fact that it doesn't have any inflammatory oils, but it has organic virgin coconut oil and avocado oil. The ingredients are super clean, so I feel so comfortable eating them myself or sharing them with the family. I also appreciate that the flavor is delicious. It doesn't taste artificially, but you can taste the coconut and the lemon. These are great for traveling, for school, or for that midday snack. These cookies are delicious. They have super clean ingredients and they have a variety of other delicious flavors. I love them, but that's just my point of view.